guys, Isaac here. Today I'm going to be showing you a dead bird. I was used to my normal intro. It's like I'm going to be showing you this and this, but no. Evan found it on the way here. Yeah. We're wearing sanitation gloves. That are actually yard work gloves because they're gonna be burying it. Oh. It says recording of still images is impossible. You call me still image? You call me still image, bro?
I don't even know what
bro. Oh, I'll do the digging part. You do the filming part. So first, wait. How did this thing die? Oh shoot! Yo, it like cracked its head open or something. Okay, that's nasty.
I'd rather not look at it.
Yeah.
I think someone shot it.
I think I might cut this part out for like PG purposes.
Yeah.
So, cutting on to the digging part.
What is up, guys? And now we're gonna bury this.
We thought that
gross thing.
Put it in like this cemetery, like
like see, look.
So,
and he's gonna dig it right now.
okay.
You hold the camera because I'm gonna pick the bird up.
I am.
Boom.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna show its brains. Okay.
They didn't see it. You didn't see anything, right?
Now you have to
Now we gotta get a pile of rocks.
Yeah.
Or just a plant.
So we just found a lot of stuff. Like we got a rose.
Ish.
Yeah, that's a rose. Got some other flowers. Got a cemetery stone.
And this thing, whatever.
So we're gonna just like place this cemetery stone in, like a cemetery stone. Like how else would you like call it?
Or what else you mean? Let's put some mulch on it.
No, don't. So that no, stop. That's not how you make it so that it falls over.
Does it fall over?
You need to like bang it in. No, stop.
What? You just...
Okay, stop. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Gosh.
And then we need to put like flowers near it. Why? No, that's not. Let's put the rose in the middle. Now we need to do a cemetery skit. For everything that has to do with life, it has to do with death. We are very sorry. Your parents will always remember you. We will always remember you for about 2 months. And then we will probably bury another dead bird. Okay. Now it is time to do the Star Spangled Banner. I'm just worried that we're gonna get like called the cops for this, cause like you're disturbing the silence or something. peace, dead bird. We will all remember you as Jimmy.